Hey guys, I just went to the PO box and there was a package there. So I'm about to do my first ever unboxing video on this channel, but it was stolen from me. Somebody grabbed the box. You just already had it. I love it. You know, it does say me on the box.
So? It's already good. It's wrapped in lime.
It's wrapped in lime. Oh my god. It's actually really crazy in there. I don't even know who this is from, though. That's the problem. Oh, epic wrap jobs.
There we go.
What is it? Is it a card?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Who's it from?
Heather McPhee.
Ah, Heather McPhee. What is it? Alpaca the... Oh my god. Oh my god. To Janelle. Hey, hey, hey. Happy Christmas. Okay. I'm editing the video right now for that you're watching right now, and Janelle just had to explain to me the card because I didn't get it for like 20 minutes.
PPE.
I get it now. Heather, that's genius. To DJ and Janelle, hope you have an amazing Xmas and New Year from me, Heather. Oh, thanks for putting that in brackets because we didn't know. And your family and your boys, Nathan, Jeff, and Luke. Sorry about my writing. Heather, we write the same, so you're basically a music teacher now. Oh, there's something else? What? Oh, dude, are those coasters? Dude. Those are sick, Heather. Thank you. Look at the F-cuts on that guy. Look at the F-cuts. Oh. Well, crap. And a guitar pick clip. Yeah, it holds all the guitar. You'll be happy because then the picks will stop showing up in the laundry.
I think that's a lie.
Look at that. Thanks, Heather. You know what we got to do, though? This guy has got to make his way over here. Now, should he replace the llama? Should he replace the... Oh, we'll put him right here. Because I was told not to touch the sign. People were very angry if the sign was to go missing. Look at that. Wow. That was pretty rad of you, Heather. Thank you so much. Janelle kind of stole the box from me, though. I literally came home as a surprise in the middle of the afternoon. I was like, oh, hey. And she looks at it, oh, present. And she takes it from me. I didn't get a hello. She took the present from me. Thanks so much, Heather. Keep an eye out. It's sadly, with the way that the post is, it might not get to you before Christmas, and I'm sorry, but keep an eye out for what we're sending you back. See ya.
Thank you.